251799FY, the People versus Julian Santana.
Good afternoon, Your Honor. Donna Silva on behalf of the People, Suite 7439.
And good afternoon, again, Your Honor. Vivian, 44626, appearing on behalf of Mr. Julian Santana, who's also present. Sir, state your name for the record, please.
Julian Santana.
All right, so we've already covered all of the exam information. My understanding is there's an allegation, there's a bond violation.
Yes, Your Honor, and before we get to that, I did want to give the court an update. I checked that Instagram account just to see what sister counsel was saying, if it's not his account or anything. Upon checking it, there's actually new information. I have supplied this to sister counsel, and I can show the court. It's actually a footage of another picture with Mr. Santana holding two guns. You can see his GPS tether, you can see his cross neck tattoo, not his face, but you can see the identifying unique tattoo. In another post, it has and these are 24-hour stories. They're only lasting 24 hours and then they're erased. Another one is a timer, a countdown to court today. The timer has gone off, meaning he's in court today. Another picture of like a picture taken a person of their outfit, and you can tell this person's wearing a black suit with very unique shoes that I must put on the record. They're black, like Converse type sneakers with silver spikes on the tip and some red. You can see them very clearly in the image. They are also the shoes that Mr. Santana is wearing right now. And you can see the picture that he took, it matches the carpet in the back. And I think that is enough.
Picture in the courtroom?
I think so. I'm not
Judge,
100%, but it is similar to
all right.
That
carpet.
All right, well, we're ready to proceed to the hearing.
needs to be displayed.
All right, can you get them up on the screen? Or?
Let me,
All right,
I'm logging into this.
And Judge,
and Ms. Young, I'm sorry. I was gonna say, you've seen all this. You've had a chance to look at
yes.
this. All
I
right,
want you to see it too, Your Honor, so I can give you the explanation that I think is appropriate.
I'm dying to hear it.
It's taking a while just because the videos need to upload in unison. So I'll start with this one.
Are you in Zoom?
I'm logging back on.
Okay.
And Judge, just as a heads up, my client about 3 years ago offered to testify on behalf of the prosecutor's office against individuals. He did testify. He now believes that they are doing this to go after him.
Welcome back to the courtroom, folks. And today's case is straight out of the You Can't Make This Up files. We've got Julian Santana, a man already charged with attempted murder, somehow thinking it's a brilliant idea to violate his bond through Instagram posts. That's right. Not some hacker exposing him, not a witness. His own social media. In this hearing before Judge Shackelford, prosecutors say Santana posted photos showing off guns, his GPS ankle monitor, and even a countdown timer to his own court appearance. You can't write irony like this. But here's where it gets even messier. Santana's defense claims he didn't make those posts at all. In fact, they say he's being set up by the very people he once testified against. That's right. This man is not only accused of snitching on criminals in the past, but now says they're out for revenge by running fake Instagram accounts in his name.
He's on house arrest as well as GPS tether.
All right, let's see the videos.
So he can't.
I mean, how someone's not going to be able to make that up, though, Miss. Now, if everything she's telling me is accurate,
We'll see, Judge.
all right, we'll see. Let's look.
And I must say, sister counsel indicated that he does not have a phone and that he hasn't done anything, but he was in my office and he made a comment. I sent these pictures to a group chat, indicating he does have access to some phone or a computer or something that can send out pictures.
All right, let me see what we have.
Right.
So he was put on bond conditions. He was arraigned after multiple court appearances.
Yeah, he's on a $100,000 cash surety bond with house arrest and GPS tether. And it's at his mother's house, and she's present.
No.
And right out of the gate, the prosecution isn't holding back. They've come prepared, showing the court photos of Santana holding two guns, flashing his ankle monitor, and even posting a countdown to court story on Instagram. Now, you'd think anyone facing attempted murder charges would lay low and avoid social media altogether. But nope, not Julian. Here's what's wild. These aren't old photos. The prosecutor says they were posted just before the hearing. And those 24-hour stories, yeah, they conveniently vanish after a day. It's like he thought Instagram's auto-delete would outsmart the justice system.
April the 4th.
Your Honor, this is not what's actually being submitted for the bond violation. This is to show proof that this is him identifying tattoos as an image posted as a permanent post on this Instagram profile.
Okay.
What's actually relevant is the story that only lasts for 24 hours, then it expires. So
He
this
was
is
not
just-
even charged to do this incident.
All right, so she's just, so this picture is just to show, identify him using this Instagram account.
Correct.
Gotcha.
This is the one and only image posted on this
So
Instagram
I'm
account on
not,
April
this
4th.
is not a bond violation because he wasn't on bond. I got it. All
And
right,
that Instagram account, and all of his accounts have been closed by his mother.
doesn't look like it.
This
We'll
one,
see. Shh, I don't want to hear anyone talking in the audience. I need to see what I'm looking at.
Here, as you can see, this is the Instagram profile. There's only one post. It's this post from April 4th, his images. I'm gonna continue. You can see the icon that for live stories being selected.
Your Honor, this picture, can we
And
go
this
back
is
for a
what-
second?
1 second. I can't, just let me look at it and then I'll let you talk. Give me a second. All right, so I see a GPS tether on, sir, what, can you come stand here where I can see you for a second?
Judge, with respect, may I just comment on?
The tension here is thick. The prosecutor's uploading video evidence. The defense is scrambling to log back into Zoom. And Judge Shackelford? She's about 2 seconds away from seeing exactly what this guy's been up to. Hat makes this moment so gripping is that we're watching real-time truth test. Either this Instagram story is a fake, or Santana is about to be exposed in front of the entire courtroom by his own posts. And you can already feel the defense bracing for damage control.
After observing this picture, this was on September 3rd to the 4th. I actually, as of today, because Sister Counsel pointed out that he does not have an Instagram account and that it's not him, I wanted to look at this a little closer. I did go to the same Instagram account. That image from April 4th has been deleted, but then I clicked the stories. I'm unable to share on my screen. It's too large of a file. If I may approach with Sister Counsel to show you the
Come
image.
on up.
But this is as of today, and there are only 24-hour long stories. This is the same Instagram account. I can't see. I'm just gonna put play. I'm gonna put play on that.
Where's play? I don't know Instagram.
So this is the first post, and I have a screenshot of this. But you can see Mr. Santana,
And
that's
that
his
is-
neck tattoo right there.
That is not him.
That's his neck tattoo,
Where?
right there. That's that same one we were seeing.
I don't see a neck tattoo.
Okay, where's the next one?
Well, it's gonna keep going. It's a video.
And you're saying this is posted today,
This is posted today.
even though he's here today? And that,
Well,
show-
Oh,
that-
Miss Young,
It's
just,
posted 18 hours ago.
that
okay,
indicates
just-
somebody else is doing this to set him up.
Okay, so here he is with two weapons, and you can see the GPS on his leg. I don't see his GPS. You can see it right there bulging out. I zoomed it for you.
I did.
And then there is this right here. It's a countdown for court.
okay,
That countdown expired today. Today's court date.
And Judge enlarged this so you can, I don't. see
I have a
it.
screenshot of the picture. We can go through that. Just let the video play.
let me just see it.
So that's the countdown for today. That was 17 hours ago. That makes us today the timeout cleared. And then this is saying everything I post, if you want to read that.
Now this is where the plot thickens. The defense claims Santana's being targeted by criminals he once testified against, a revenge setup. It's a classic "it was me" defense, except for one major problem. The prosecution's evidence appears to show when your ankle monitor and your fashion sense are doing all the testifying. The prosecutor even notes that the countdown story lined up perfectly with the court date. If this is a setup, whoever did it had way too much in.
Instagram accounts, all of his accounts have been closed by his mother. She's willing to testify.
So someone, okay, but here's the argument, just listen, because this is what you're asking me to believe. Someone else made a pretend account of Mr. Santana, and on the, everyone's nodding their head, I'm about to tell you it's ridiculous, but okay, just calm down in the back. So someone creates a fake Instagram. If you have a problem with it, you can go in the hallway.
Yeah, if you're gonna continue to say anything.
Hey,
that's your goal.
go in the hallway if you have a problem. If not, let me conduct my business, this court's business. So you're asking me to believe that someone made a pretend video. On the pretend videos that they're assigning to your client on an account that he's previously posted on in April. You're asking me to believe that a picture of a floor, a porch, it looks like a deck of someone showing a tether and a gun is not him. And then someone doing a court countdown is not him. And then someone literally posting a video of them going to court with the outfit on that your client's wearing is not him.
Your Honor, if I may, before we get into that.
Wait,
One second. I must say, when I walked into the courtroom, I did look at his shoes. By the time I went from this courtroom back into my office, that Instagram was deleted and so were the stores instantaneously. In less than a minute, everything was deleted once I looked at his shoes.
Judge,
So
All right.
it was happening.
all right,
live.
let Ms. Young speak. Go ahead, Ms. Young.
first of all, this apparent.
Here's where the contradictions start piling up. The defense says he doesn't even have a phone. His mother took it months ago. But then the prosecutor drops a bombshell. Santana was in her office bragging about sending photos in a group chat that, oh, no phone, but still sending photos. Either mom's running a tech support empire from the kitchen, or this guy's hiding a burner phone somewhere under house arrest. And let's be honest, judges hate being lied to more than anything else.
Is it your representation to the court that you believe someone else went and got those shoes and a tether and took a picture of it, looking like don't cry, looking like he was going to court in that outfit? Is that what yes or no? Is that your representation to this court?
With respect to the picture with the shoes, Your Honor, those shoes can be purchased, yeah, by many, many, many people.
Okay.
Number two, the pants in that picture are brown. From my lips to God's ears, those pants are brown. My client's pants are black. That is not a photograph that he took today and posted it on Instagram.
Your Honor, if I may, I think that's just very
I don't need
ridiculous.
it. I don't need it. All right. Do I need to hear from anyone else?
If you'd like to hear from the mother regarding that porch video, she said that.
Well, she's just saying, you're telling me she's gonna testify that's not her porch.
Correct.
All right, ma'am, I'm not,
That's not what I wanted to, in regards
You're
to.
gonna
okay.
speak.
I'm sorry, that's not.
You have
what
to
I
say
wanted.
your
She
first and
said-
last name.
My name is Erica Santana. She's stating things are being deleted as we're here. Julian has no phone here with him. He walked in here with no phone, has no phone. I have a phone. I'm logged in my Instagram if you want to check. My children here have their phone. They have their phones. We can all show you our Instagram. Nobody was in this courtroom able to delete any pictures while we were here.
Okay. Anything else?
Nothing from the people.
Nothing further, Your Honor. So I'd ask the court to continue his $100,000 cash or surety bond with house arrest and GPS tether.
All right, look, the standard is a preponderance of the evidence. And those pants look black to me with sunlight coming on them. The shoes are incredibly unique. These are shoes with spikes all over them. He's posting pictures of, or an account that is clearly his account or someone's using his likeness. I have no reason to believe it's not his account, is posting pictures with a countdown coming to court, showing his shoes and outfit on the post, showing a tether on the same ankle that he has a tether, posting pictures with guns on more than one occasion while he's on bond for assault with intent to murder. He's alleged to have been the shooter that's an allegation. He's presumed innocent, but that's the allegation, that he's the one that pulled the trigger. And he's out on bond, and that Instagram story is egregious. And no, Miss Young, listen, I understand you have a client. I'm not buying it for a second, not 1 second.
With
The
respect to
ID
gun photos, Judge, I just want to address those. The gun Instagram,
Mhm.
that was April. This case,
No, no,
That's not the
no.
violation of probation.
One of the ones, she said over and over, the only reason the one in April was admitted was to show that there was a photograph of him. It was him using that Instagram. That's what she admitted that for. I don't care if he had a gun in that picture or not.
Right.
I'm not interested in that at all.
and then
Because he
with,
wasn't on bond.
right, and with respect to the second alleged gun that he had, that's where the pink heart on the floor, and, there's a gun laying there. There's no evidence that was him, or that he.
The court's zooming in literally. The prosecution shows that the Instagram account only had one public post, an old photo from April, but it's being used to identify him *** through tattoos, clothing, and his ankle tether. Defense tries to downplay it, saying it's not a bond violation because it's from before his release. Fair, except the posted recently are where the trouble lies. And when your only argument is that could be anyone with a tether and a gun, you're already fighting an uphill